Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Parrot Zone, of the smartest and cutest birds on the planet. You won't believe some of the adorable secrets these birds have. So sit back, relax, and let's get into 10 cute facts about parrots. 1. They can dance. Parrots don't just move, they actually dance to music. They can groove to the beat just like humans. 2. They laugh with you. If you laugh around a parrot often, they might start laughing too. They love to mimic joyful sounds. 3. They can learn hundreds of words. Some parrots can learn and say over 0 words. They can even understand what some words mean. 4. They show love. Parrots cuddle, preen, and even give little kisses to their favorite humans. They're full of affection. 5. They call for you. If a parrot loves you, it might learn your name and call for you when you leave the room. 6. They can live a long time. Some parrots can live for over 50 years. That means they can be lifelong companions. 7. They love to play. Parrots enjoy playing with toys, solving puzzles, and even playing peekaboo. 8. They have best friends. Parrots in the wild and at home form strong bonds and sometimes even pick a best friend for life. 9. They sleep in funny positions. Some parrots sleep lying on their backs or with their heads tucked under their wings, so cute. 10. They remember faces. Parrots have amazing memories and will remember people they love, even after years apart. Parrots aren't just smart, they're full of personality and love. Which fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing animal facts. See you in the next video.